And see, it's good to
21st
see
at
how
a
you
later
doing.
date.
Cheers
Critics
right
call it
back
a
to you.
stall, but savvy
I need to go check
investors
out
see
Poppin'
it as a
Seeds. Good
calculated
content over
move to
there.
ensure a fair
Sticking
process.
$3
Look, the
for.
stakes couldn't be higher as rescheduling would open up doors to tax breaks and institutional investment. So what did you all think of the announcement by Judge John Mulrooney? Did you like it? Are you frustrated you have to wait a little longer? Something the cannabis industry knows all too well? Leave your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. So that's it, everyone, for this week's Trade to Black business developments for the week in cannabis. If you want to stay up to date with the daily information, make sure to scan this QR code and subscribe
Of
to our
course, if y'all
LinkedIn
looking for
newsletter.
somebody to
It's delivered
sponsor
to
Beat
your
After Beat,
inbox daily at
could
8
definitely use some
a.m.
help over
Eastern
there with
Time.
keeping up
As
with
usual, if you have
expenses.
time, make sure to smash that like button, click on
Motion
that
New
bell
Soul,
for
what's
all
cracking like and good to
notifications,
see you.
and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We greatly appreciate it. Here we go, everyone. Get ready. Tomorrow morning, President Donald Trump is being sworn in, leaving many who are in support of this cannabis industry hoping for
Y'all need to
change.
go check out
We
the
hope
big
so. Thanks
homie.
again, everyone, for watching, and we'll see you next Sunday for a full recap of the biggest developments for the week in cannabis.
Wow, that's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt, I'm going to see the father. Damn, Earth was cool. Oh, this gas, 93 octane. God, take me now. Hey, cool it. He got another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me if he think I'm finna hit that blunt again. Heavens, no, I'm high, bucko. I'm puzzled. I'm finna give it right back to him and tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. He think we in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'm gonna tell him I'm allergic to marijuana. Weed for me
He
stand
straight
for
put the
with
blunt
each
out and put it
exhale.
in
I'm
his
about
pocket.
to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a third one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head. Now you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different.
You know what I'm saying?
It's beginning to look a lot like wood. Follow my every step. Take notes on how I grab. I'm about to go in depth. This is the way I keep my season. Is my ghetto rep. I kept, to say the least, no one can cease. So I begin to piece my 2 and 2 together. Got no snowy weather. Have to find something to do better. Bet I said some time, so shut up that. No just about some solid. I got the cork if it ain't real, ain't
Y'all need to go check out the Homegirl channel. She does infused edibles. Let me actually show y'all her channel since y'all don't think I'm just over here creeping for no good reason. You know, we actually support the community out here. You dig? Yeah, you can leave that creep shit for wherever it goes. She be down with Dankarella. That's why I made sure we went over and did the promo. But anyways, back to what we was doing, because I digress. I mean, y'all already know I ain't creeping on nothing. Hell, I'm keeping it on the low. Let's see, back to the playlist. Let's see, right back like you never left.
I'm like, no matter what the season, forever chill with Smith. I said my bed.
And then we got this Outkast song playing in the background, but y'all already know we monetized on Buy Me a Coffee. Hell, YouTube ain't gonna fucking restrict my money. You can get 0% of nothing. I'll take it.
I chill with West and got my reasons, so tell me what did you expect? You thought I'd break my neck to help y'all next? Oh no, I got other means of celebrating. I'm getting blizzard at Hojo, I got the hoochie waking. I made it through another, you can't ask for nothing much more. It's Outkast for the books, I thought you knew, so now you know, let's go.
Yeah, that was infused sweet potato
Everybody
pie.
in New York was calling to get down
Good
with
wham.
this nice guy. We met all kinds of customers, like this guy here. He's what we call an enhancement smoker, because he thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better.
Casa su casa.
Observe.
You're Scarface, right?
Yeah.
I love Al Pacino, man. Did you ever see Son of a Woman?
Yup.
You ever seen Son of a Woman?